Every night, your body does things that would terrify you. If you were awake to see them, in the next 4 minutes, you'll see what's actually happening. When your body finally lets go, your brain misinterprets the muscle relaxation as if you're losing balance. When your body finally lets go, your brain misinterprets the muscle relaxation as if you're losing balance. Your brain thinks you're falling, so it fires a quick shock through your muscles to catch you. It's actually a safety reflex. Now, the scary one, sleep paralysis. You wake up, you can see your room, but you can't move. And sometimes, it even feels like something is in the room with you, but it's just your brain misfiring between sleep and wakefulness. Your body is still in sleep mode, so your muscles stay locked. But this is not real. During REM sleep, your brain shuts off your muscle signals on purpose. It's a safety system. Without it, you'd physically act out your dreams. Sometimes it gets even weirder. Sleepwalking. Your brain is asleep, but parts of your body are still active. It's like your system is running in background mode. The part of your brain that controls movement can switch on, while the part responsible for memory stays off. That's why people can walk, open doors, even talk, and have no idea the next morning. And most of the time, they never even realize it happened. Here's a weird one that's actually on purpose. Your core temperature drops every night. Your brain lowers your internal thermostat to help you transition into deeper sleep. As your temperature falls, your heart rate slows, your metabolism shifts, and your body redirects energy toward repair. Your cells start repairing the wear and tear of the day. So, if you wake up feeling colder in the middle of the night, that's not a problem. It's your body doing maintenance. And then your brain does the wildest thing. It turns off logic completely. But at the same time, the emotional centers of your brain become more active. That's why dreams feel intense. Your visual cortex lights up, your memory fragments get stitched together, and your brain fills in the gaps. But the part that checks reality is mostly offline. That's why you can fly, talk to people who aren't there, or be somewhere impossible, and still believe it's real. And that's what your body does every single night. But here's the real question. What happens when sleep breaks down? That's next.